What is up, you guys? Today we're going to be making a Greek-inspired meal prep bowl. Here's everything that you're going to need today in order to make it. Let's hop right in and get started. We're going to take our diced chicken and add in our minced garlic, our seasoning, and our yogurt. You're going to mix everything together well, cover and add to the fridge until you're ready to cook. Let this marinate for at least 30 minutes. Next, I'm going to add in my seasoned chicken to a hot cast iron skillet and allow this to cook for 7 to 8 minutes. I like to use a cast iron just so that I can get some of that char on there. This, of course, is a preference and isn't mandatory in order for this to be made. Next, we're going to get started on our cucumber salad. Add in your diced cucumbers. I also sliced up some cherry tomatoes, as well as some red onion. Now the salad will get seasoned, however, instead of adding it directly to our vegetables, we're going to save this later to add to our dressing. Feta crumbles work great in this type of salad. If you are serving this fresh and immediately, go ahead and add in your crumbles. Otherwise, if you're doing this for meal prep, wait until you're about to eat this. We'll be working on our yellow rice. Start by adding in your olive oil or oil of choice into your pot and allowing this to heat up. Then you're going to add in your peppers and onions and allowing this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes before adding in your garlic paste. After allowing this to melt together, we're going to add in our rice and allow this to toast for a couple of minutes. Then you can add in your seasoning, your chicken stock, and don't forget your turmeric in order to make the rice yellow. Mix together well and allow this to cook for about 25 minutes covered. Now, making homemade tzatziki sauce is a delicious addition, however, it is not required. You are more than welcome to buy your favorite store-bought brand. If you are making it from scratch, you're going to add in your minced garlic, seasoning, and some freshly grated cucumber into your bowl. Before adding in your cucumber, make sure to squeeze out the excess water so that it doesn't make the sauce runny. You're also going to add in your freshly chopped dill and the juice of 1 lemon into the bowl. Mix well. You can set this in the refrigerator until you are ready to serve this with your homemade bowl. And for the final step for this bowl, we're going to make our dressing. Start out by adding in some olive oil, red wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, and some honey for sweetness into a bowl or a mason jar. You can go ahead and add in your seasonings, your minced garlic, and don't forget your lemon juice. Then you're going to cover your mason jar and shake really well until combined. If you're using a bowl, feel free to use whatever utensil you have to mix together really well. Then you can pour this over your salad, add your cheese, and serve. If you have made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Don't forget to follow me on all of my socials, like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. If you're interested in full out recipes and measurements, head out to my Etsy shop. I'll go ahead and link the Etsy shop link to this specific recipe, as well as the shop overall in the description of the video. So make sure to look out for that. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.